What I'm making a mold of is a shift ball off of my Shelby GT500. So here I'm going to just use a piece of a red Solo cup to put my mold inside of. First thing I want to do is just get a piece of cardboard, and I'm actually going to hot glue the cup to the cardboard. This way none of my rubber leaks out. What I've done here is 3D printed a ball that's the same size as the shifter I want, and then I'm just going to hot glue it inside of the mold. The reason to hot glue it down like this is so that when we remove the mold, we will have a place to pour whatever material you're using in the mold. Now I'm just going to mix up my silicone rubber. If you want to know what I used, look down in the description and I'll put a link. You really want to make sure you get this stuff mixed up well. Now that the product is all mixed up, I'm just going to pour it into the mold.
24 hours later.
Now I'm just removing my mold from the cup, and then I will take my original part out of the mold. Now I've mixed up some resin, and I'm going to use the mold for the first time. After a lot of sanding and polishing, the final product turned out awesome.